If you own any crypto, this is an important video. I spend a lot of time on my channel talking to you and to all of us as a retail investor. You're a retail investor, I'm a retail investor. And the crypto retail investor, on average, is an investor that, if we see an 8% drop in the market, like we saw on Monday 2 days ago, they tend to sell and run away. And I want to share something with you. And I talk a lot about this on my channel, but I just put an X post out that I'm going to share with you that really, really hammers something home. And that is the simple fact that crypto is going to be massive. It is going to be bigger 6 months, a year, 2 years from now. And what does that mean to you and I as retail crypto investors? That means that the investments we have today, that the assets that we've bought, Bitcoin, XRP, Cardano, meme coins, whatever, right? For the most part, are going to be bigger and worth more 6 months, a year from now. But the issue with most people in the crypto market is that they're not willing to wait. They don't understand how the game is played. And I want to show you something. I've been talking a lot about this. Wall Street is coming. Wall Street is here. And with them, they're bringing trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars. And they're bringing a lot of other things to the table, both pro and con. But I want to share this with you. Okay, so here is the tweet. And I'm going to really dive into this. Look, so the title of this was Don't Be Fooled. And this was really targeted at retail investors. Retail investors tend to, for the most part, to be very emotional, panic sell, not willing to look beyond what's happening in the next, what's happening right now at their portfolios, things of this nature. But in just 9 days, Wall Street pulled off a massive heist. That's not necessarily a bad heist. It's just they are cornering some of the markets here. Okay, so through November 24th through December 2nd, 2025, look at this. JP Morgan files 1.5x leverage BTC notes with downside protection. Vanguard flips, opens up an $11 trillion platform to crypto ETFs for 50 million clients. Vanguard made the announcement that they are now bringing crypto ETFs and ultimately other crypto products to their 50 million clients, $11 trillion. Vanguard historically was very anti-crypto. Bank of America greenlights 15,000 advisors to allocate up to 4% Bitcoin. Basically, Bank of America has gone to their 15,000 advisors and said, go start selling Bitcoin and other crypto products to our clients and tell them that they should allocate 4% of their total portfolios to crypto, to Bitcoin. Goldman buys innovative capital for $2 billion. 20 plus trillion in assets under management moved in lockstep. Coincidence? Zero. Wall Street is making moves, and they're quietly buying, and they're quietly making moves. What does this mean to you and I? It means that we should pay attention to what the big money, what Wall Street is doing, and we shouldn't let fear and uncertainty and a fear and greed index of 16, 18, 20 run us out of crypto. Truthfully, that's my opinion, okay? Look, while retail panic sold $3.5 billion from Bitcoin ETFs, biggest outflow ever, institutions built the pipes to swallow it up. Institutions were buying. BlackRock's IBIT bled $2.3 billion from weak hands. Same quarter, Abu Dhabi tripled their Bitcoin stack. The Abu Dhabi fund, okay? You see what I'm saying? The smart money is stepping in and buying. They are not running. They're not worried about an 8% dump on Monday, as an example, okay? Next, January 15th, MSCI votes to boot any company with more than 50% crypto from global indices for selling incoming. Who wrote the research paper warning about it? JP Morgan. Remember, JP Morgan went out there at the end of last month and was nailing, MicroStrategy, talking bad about them, etc. Who owns 343 million of IBIT, up 63% last quarter? JP Morgan. Who's launching the products to catch the redirected flows? JP Morgan. Who is moving as quickly as they can into crypto? JP Morgan. Charles Schwab just came out and announced that they are going to be offering in early 2026 crypto products to their people, while retail investors freak out over 8 to 10% downturns. Wall Street is buying. Why does this matter? Why am I screaming this from the rafters? Because I'm using it as an analogy to simply say, if you have a long-term vision for your crypto, you are buying and you are holding, and you see value long term. You mean you feel or know that your Bitcoin, Ethereum, your Cardano, your XRP, or whatever that you've bought today, last year, or bought tomorrow is going to be worth a year from now? It is. Do you think that Wall Street would be doing all these moves and doing everything they're doing and investing billions of dollars in infrastructure and telling their advisors to go sell crypto products to their customers, Bank of America, JP Morgan, Schwab, Fidelity, you name them, if they didn't believe fundamentally that there was massive opportunity in crypto? And you're here early. You're standing here before the masses have arrived. All you simply have to do is not sell, is not walk away, is not to start to get to emotional panic sell and all that kind of stuff. Okay. So I really wanted to hammer this home and really want to honestly have a frank discussion with you, because that's how important this is, in my opinion, as far as the opportunity that's crypto. And I felt like this is one of the best ways to do it, was to give you this analogy to show you proof. They're not actively out there talking about all this stuff, guys. They're not. Okay. But the proof is in the numbers, right? The proof is in the numbers. Okay. So real quickly, one of the best exchanges out there, completely free to join. This is where I'm moving all of my trading volume, is over to BidFi. Okay. Amazing. If you're a whale, you do a lot of volume, they will treat you like a king. If you don't do a lot of volume, they will still treat you like a king. They have amazing customer service. Everything is here. There's a link in the description below. Go check it out. It's free to sign up. No KYC, no VPN required, all that kind of stuff. It's easy to get in and check it out. And they got a lot of really great stuff for you. So when you click on that link, you'll see this page. You can check it all out. And again, it's free to join. Give it a try. Everything you want is here. Every type of trading that you want is here. And they are truly, in my opinion, one of the best exchanges out there. And I am happy to be talking about them. Okay. So with that, links are right down there. Go give BidFi. Go sign up. It's free to do it. Okay. And start trading over there. Lots of great stuff. And their customer service is insane positive. They treat you like a king. All right. I'll see you. Have a good one.